Trading styles. There's really three primary trading styles that we're going to talk about here. You have day trading, and in that we would include scalping, which is a form of day trading. You have swing trading and position trading. Now, there's investing styles that you want to be aware of as well, and that's active investing. We call it also tactical investing. You may hear that term from time to time. And then you have passive investing. Passive investing would be more of your traditional buy and hold type of situation. Now, there's pros and cons to each of these. So let's dig deep and look at the specifics of these different trading and investing styles. All right, first up, let's look at trading frequency. For scalping, you're looking about anywhere from 2 to 50 times a day. Now, hold on a second. I don't want you trading 50 times a day. That's nuts, okay? Let the computer algorithms do that stuff. Stay focused, keep it simple. Trust me, there's not 50 setups that are really high quality each and every day. That just doesn't happen, all right? We're not supercomputers here, all right? Let's keep it simple. Day trading. Anywhere from 0 to 10 times a day. Yep, that's right. Sometimes you do not have a really good setup for a day trade that day. Swing trading, anywhere from 10 to 30 trades per month. Now, certainly these are your general areas here. Some swing traders might be more, some less, but in general, we're looking at around 10 to 30 a month here. Position trading, anywhere from 2 to 10 times a month. Active investing, usually only once a month, maybe twice a month. Most active investors or tactical investors are just doing once a month. Passive investing, maybe once a year, and that's more like a rebalance. So not very active there. Trade duration, scalping. This could last seconds to minutes. These are very, very quick trades. The shortest duration trade I ever had was 9 seconds. It was in the gold futures. It hit my entry and then hit my target in 9 seconds. It was really cool, not realistic to happen very often though. So that's a quick trade. That was a scalp. Day trade could last minutes to hours. Swing trading, days to weeks. Position trading, weeks to months. Active investing, months to years. And passive investing, decades. Learning difficulty. Now, this is something important you should be aware of. Scalping or day trading has a very high learning curve. It takes a lot more skill and talent to pull it off, to do a really good job at it. Swing and position trading is easier to learn, at least in my experience, and teaching many other people about this, they pick it up quicker. And then, of course, active investing and passive, that's pretty straightforward and not a very high learning curve there at all. Trading time commitment. Now, certainly this could vary, again, depending on your style and personality and how much time you have to trade. But in general, scalping and day trading, anywhere from 1 to 8 hours per day. At least the day traders that I know, they're only day trading for about anywhere from 30 to 90 minutes, and that's it. They're done for the day. So yeah, you could be there for 8 hours a day or 6.5 if you're doing the stock market, but you don't have to. What I would suggest, make your money, get out of there. Be done. Swing trading, 2 to 10 hours per week. Position trading, 1 to 5 hours per month. And then your active and passive investing. Very little time commitment involved there. Now let's talk about what would be the appropriate market to trade these different trading styles. We have stocks, options, Forex, and futures. Let's take a look here. For scalping, pretty much just futures. It's a great market to scalp and day trade. And day trading stocks and options, yes, you can do it on certain or specific situations. It can be advantageous. And if not, then it's not. Swing trading, this is the beauty of swing trading. You can trade it all. Stocks, options, futures, Forex, you name it. It is great for swing trading, all of them. Position trading, stocks, options, Forex, not so much in futures, although in certain situations or certain styles of futures, yes, there definitely can be an advantage in position trading there. Active investing is pretty much either stocks or options or a combination of both. And passive investing is pretty much just stocks we're looking at there. All right, here comes your action step. Using the trading style discovery document, decide what your trading style will be. Keep in mind, you may have more than one if you have multiple objectives. Once you've completed that, go ahead and continue on to the next lesson.